Hello, Web4, and thank you for watching this video. Today, I will show you how you can create your account in Web4 Studio, how you can start with Web4 Studio, what it actually is. We make a rough overview about what it is, and how you can start with UID because UID is necessary to create an account in Web4 Studio. All right, what is Web4 Studio? Web4 Studio is accessible on Web4 community, which you can find below this video and in the description. And with Web4 Studio, you can build your own digital city. Okay, a digital city doesn't make a lot of sense when I say it like that, but it is like your social network or your super app. You can see it here in a few images. It's like a social network that you completely create for your minor or major community. It can be a fan community. It can be for your company, for your startup. It can be an internal community like an intranet, but it can be an external community when you are, for example, an influencer or a brand. And it has a lot of features from a classical social network. It is with free update. It has a high performance. It has a 24/7 support. Web4 Studio is like the home where you build a social network, while the social network is then your home for your community. Okay, you can see this on the landing page. We can go through it more detailed in another video, but today I want to show you how you actually create access to this Web4 Studio because it's a little bit different from the classical SaaS applications. So when you want to create an account, if you scroll up, you can see this register or this login account. No matter what you use, you get on almost the same page because if you want to create an account, what's absolutely necessary is your ID. And here on the bottom, we can see you don't need a password. You are fully anonymous and it's an instant access. But most people will say, I don't see a login form. What's up? It's basically like a Google account and it redirects you to this page. It's from the same company, Linkspring, and your ID is like the super identity that you can have for almost everything. With the UID, you can go shopping. With this identity, you can go on social media, you can create email accounts, you can do whatever you want because it's a universal integrated identity, which is also decoupled from the platforms. Means if you or if an application stores data in your identity, you can take it wherever you want to go. And you need this to create access to Web4 Studio. And I will make it very quick because we have a very detailed version on creating a UID account. If you are quick, you can make it in 20 seconds or 10 seconds. It's a super easy step. All you have to do is get on UID. Then you have this one-click join option via Google or Microsoft or other providers. We just have to wait until the bot verification is done. Then we create a UID and whoops, we have to do it again. Okay, initialize. Thanks, buddy. Now we are on this page. This is our demo UID that I create. You can just secure it. Then all you have to do is create a password or passphrase and make a very simple passphrase, which is not the recommended way, but of course you make it more secure for your Web4 Studio access. Right, now I secure it again. I don't want to store it. This is my account recovery. Backup keys, of course you download it. Guys, please download it because otherwise your account's lost. We finished the setup for now. We activate this ID and we do not want to link our email address. Okay, I can just recommend you, please link your email address because if you link your email address, you can reset the password, but we don't want to do it right now because it's just for demo purpose. And this is our UI ID. All right, and with this ID, it's like an ID card from the government, basically. You can verify yourself everywhere. And now we're good to go to get back to our Web4 Studio. And here in the Web4 Studio, all you have to do is create or press this button You will get on an authorization application page where you can say, okay, the application Web4 Studio is requesting access to your account. It wants to read public data of an alias and read sensitive core ID information, for example, KYC data. Okay, we see the bot protection again, and then we approve allow. And now we're doing a secure handshake and ready. That's it. So if you already have a UID account, you don't have to do whatever I showed you here because you did it once. And this is as simple as it goes when any application registers or implements UID in general. Now we made a secure handshake. Welcome to the future. You are signed up for Web4 Studio. And now we can start building. We can start creating our first social network right here. I will call it like chicken community. Just a random community that I create here for demo purpose. We can choose the style. We go with classic for now and we launch it and we're done. Now we have, because it's the first time that we are here creating this account, we have like a small tutorial, what Web4 Studio is, that you can create instances, that you have a wallet for later if you want to expand your social networks or your super apps, settings and profile. And now we're getting started and you can see our community is provisioning. All these dashboard features that you can see here, we will explore them in the future more detailed. And Web4 Studio is like in an open general access beta right now. So we make a lot of improvements on that. But I just wanted to show how easy it is to access Web4 Studio. Again, all you need is your ID. And this UID is necessary because we try to implement it in everything. And you just have to create one time this account. And then you just have to press this button. If we log out here from Web4 Studio, you can see we are back home. All you need to do is like pressing this button, allowing the applications to access this data. This is for your information, what the application is requesting. The application doesn't say, I need this, and then it's requesting other stuff. Whatever the application requests is right here. You approve it. It's fully under your control. Secure handshake. And you can see our social network is active right now. It's built. We built a complete social network, but I ain't open it right now because this is part of another tutorial. And if you are willing to build your own social network, just create it with the link up beyond or on the bottom. Or in general, use our Web4 applications because it gives you more privacy, more anonymous access to this internet, and in general, access to the new internet. And I think everyone wants to have access to this new internet first. All right, with this, thank you for watching this video. Keep subscribing, keep giving us feedback. You can give us feedback in the comments or on hello@linkstree.com. And we're happy to hear from you. Thank you.